Well, hey everybody, and thanks a lot for joining us here today on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Buffalo Wild Wings Parmesan garlic sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We're going to start out with the equivalent of 4 cloves of garlic. We'll talk about that in a little bit. 5 teaspoons of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/4 teaspoon of dried marjoram, and 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. And then we're going to throw in some salt and pepper to bring it all together. Let's start mixing this up. Alright, get yourself a bowl big enough to mix all this. We know we've got a cup of mayonnaise, so we're going to need probably some room in there to stir as well. So get something that's big enough for 2 cups, give you plenty of room to stir. I'm going to go ahead and put our mayonnaise right on in there, our roasted garlic. We'll talk about this when we close out and taste it. I want to talk about the roasted garlic aspect. We got our Parmesan cheese. I've got all of our herbs and spices and the red pepper flakes. I just threw it all into one. You got 1/4 teaspoon of a lot of stuff in there. I just decided to use 1 bowl of it. Your olive oil, your corn syrup, lemon juice, white vinegar, and your salt and pepper. Now we're just going to mix this up really well. Alright, there's our sauce. I've got some chicken nuggets going in the oven. We're going to plate those up, do a photo shoot. We're going to come back and talk about this sauce. Give this a taste here. This is fantastic. The creaminess of that mayonnaise, you got that roasted garlic right in there, just coming at you. Not overpowering, not pungent. That's why roasted garlic is probably the best for this. And speaking of that, if you don't have garlic to roast, I use the jarred stuff because I bought all this stuff when I was coming home from work and I didn't write a list. And I didn't realize that I didn't have garlic at home, because I was going to show you how to roast the garlic in this, but I just used the jarred stuff that I had in the cupboard. When you want to roast garlic, just cut the garlic, peel it, rub it with a little olive oil, throw it on a pan in your oven at about 350 degrees until that garlic turns a little brown, and then you can just mash it. It'll mash right up and be perfect for a recipe like this. Anyway, creaminess, beautifully seasoned with that garlic. You can taste the herbs. I know if this sits overnight, it will even get better herbal flavor to it. The Parmesan in there, of course, and then you got the nice, it looks beautiful because of that corn syrup. Not only gives it a little sweetness, but it gives it a little body, and it makes it kind of shine as a sauce. And then you've got, of course, the acidity. The acidity adds so much to a sauce with that vinegar and that lemon juice. This is really good. Hope you try it out. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment down below. I'm going to take care of the rest of these so you don't have to. Bye-bye.